Hello everyone, today's topic is oblique asymptotes in Unit 3. What is an oblique asymptote? It is not a horizontal or vertical asymptote, but it is a slant asymptote present in the graph. It has an equation of a linear function, and it is present when the numerator has exactly one more degree than the denominator. Okay, now let's do an example of a rational function which is x squared minus 2x minus 3 over x minus 1. First, let's factor the numerator, so it's helpful to find the x-intercepts. There's a vertical asymptote in the equation, which is denominator set to 0, giving us the equation of x equals 1. And there is no horizontal asymptote since the degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, which means there might be oblique asymptote. The degree of the numerator is 2 and the degree of the denominator is 1. The numerator's degree is exactly 1 more than the degree of denominator, so there is oblique asymptote. To find the oblique asymptote's equation, you divide the numerator by the denominator. Since the denominator is in the form of ax plus b, you can use the synthetic division, which is easier and faster. When we divide the numerator by the denominator, it gives a linear function equation, which is x minus 1. And that would be our oblique asymptote. X-intercepts. To find the x-intercepts, you set the numerator's factors to 0, which would give us -1 and 3. To find the y-intercept, you set the x values to 0, which would give us y-intercept at 3. Our domain is x belongs to all real numbers and it doesn't equals to 1. And our range is y belongs to all real numbers. And this would be our sign chart for the graph. Finally, after plotting all key features, our graph will look like this. Real-life application. Engineers and mathematicians use the idea of asymptotes to design objects and predict how they will behave. For example, investment growth or decay. The investment grows alongside the vertical and oblique asymptotes if the company profits. If not, the investment will drop alongside the asymptotes without touching it. And that's all for today. Thank you so much.